Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Risk factors of pelvic inflammatory disease. So, the main risk factors include females with multiple sexual partners is the most common risk factor. Sexual early age of intercourse less than 18 years of age, low socioeconomic status, downing, history of instrumentation, all these are risk factors for pelvic inflammatory disease. Protective factor: barrier methods will protect against pelvic inflammatory disease.
thank you and thank you for watching.